Now we will set up the InfluxDB Docker container. It is necessary that InfluxDB is up and running while executing tests because test result matrix will be sent to InfluxDB during test execution. Before we start the InfluxDB Docker container, we need to create a directory which will be mapped to the InfluxDB Docker container as a Docker volume where the InfluxDB data will be saved. So I have already created that directory named docker underscore volume inside my repository. There is also another directory which will be mapped as Docker volume to the InfluxDB Docker container, and that is dashboard directory. This contains InfluxDB dashboard template, and using that template, we can create the InfluxDB dashboard. So we will start the InfluxDB Docker container with some initial setup like the username, password, organization, bucket name, and the token. To run this InfluxDB Docker container, this is the command. So this is the username, password, the bucket name, and the token. And this Docker container is created in the JMeter Docker network with this IP. So if you see here now in the JMeter Docker network, this InfluxDB Docker container is already attached. And this Docker container is already up and running. We can access the InfluxDB UI on localhost 9086 because we specified in the docker run command 9086 on our local system. So username is Alpana and the password is influxdb@Alpana. So you will see in the buckets, JMeter bucket is already created with the retention forever. And the token is already created with this value. And yeah, that's it. To create the InfluxDB dashboard using that template file, we need to SSH into the InfluxDB Docker container. So we'll use this command to SSH into the InfluxDB Docker container. And then we will run this command. Okay, so the dashboard seems to be created. Second. So if I just refresh it now, you see the JMeter dashboard has been already created. Currently, there is no data in the JMeter bucket, hence you cannot see anything.